Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Lindenwood Residences here in Muntinlupa City to show you this modern contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation of this property, facing north, and as for the facade, on the left side we have this open carport up to 3 vehicles. Maluwag pa, no, for a 3-vehicle carport. For the flooring, rough textured granito tiles para non-skid sa mga dadaan dito, and for your cars, kasya pa yung ano dito, no? Even up to 4 vehicle pwede in this space, well, depending on the size. On the left side, we have this access going to your male and female staff quarters with own toilet and bath. Ito yung room for the male staff or your driver. And the common toilet and bath. Ito yung kanilang toilet and bath, and another room for the female staff. Additional counter para dito sa inyong laundry. So yeah, after the laundry, the drying area at the back of the property. So you have your backyard garden then. Luwag pa ng space dito, no? Around 2 meters for the setback from your perimeter fence. Well, it's up to you, no, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng gate, but this property or this subdivision is well secured by the stationary guards and roving guards, which are 24/7 in this subdivision. And hindi rin kayo makakapasok without any advice from the homeowners dito sa lugar, no, kung may bibisitahin kayo. So, ganun kahigpit yung kanilang security. You have your porch and main door, your front yard garden with your steps going here dito sa side ng property to your lanay going hanggang doon sa likuran. Dito sa inyong landscape garden, adding some welcoming vibe before you enter dito sa inyong main door. Have your solid wood main door with your Havel doorknob and a viewing panels or glass panel installed, no, to add some natural light dito sa foyer or the living area. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. So, upon entering dito sa inyong main door, you will be welcomed by your living or receiving area. Ang luwag in this space, no, well, pwede nyong hatiin yung inyong living area and your dining. Symmetrical dito sa inyong cove ceiling design with wood panels installed, adding some welcoming or warm and cozy vibe in this space. So dito kasya yung 10-seater dining table for your dining. And again, this is your living or receiving space. Ayan. So kasya yung mga malalaking furnitures. Fronting dito sa provision nyo with your split type AC. Ganon din on the other side. You can also notice itong mga UPVC windows. These are high-grade PVC with tempered glass for the windows and sliding doors. Okay, so for our sliding door, it has an access going at the back of the property dito sa inyong lanay. If you're into alfresco dining, no, perfect to enjoy the outdoor space with your visitors or family members. Ayan, partially covered din kayo by a canopy from your second floor. Ang ganda dito, ang ganda ng outdoor space. You're also protected from outside elements because of the canopy. So, ang aliwalas dito and malilim din, no, during at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Ito yung inyong pathway going on the other side. Nandun naman yung room ninyo para sa mga staff. Going back here, before tayo pumunta dun sa inyong main kitchen, tignan muna natin itong mga rooms. So, we have itong inyong bedroom 1, located here sa ground level. So, very friendly for your elderlies na ayaw na gumamit ng stairs, no? So, in this space, pwede yung inyong bed frame. Lots of natural light coming from your huge sliding PVC. PVC sliding door. Your provision para sa inyong window type aircon. And itong inyong toilet and bath, shower space with enclosure, your water closet, and your lavatory. And by the way, this toilet and bath is linked dito sa inyong living area. Tatira natin. So ito yung inyong toilet and bath na nakalink dito sa inyong bedroom 1. Okay, so adjacent from your dining area, going here dito sa inyong main kitchen. By the way, for the flooring, porcelain tiles with matte texture. Few steps, ito naman yung inyong main kitchen. Lots of counter space for your food preparation. You also have this huge island counter. You can also utilize this space as your informal dining with your friends or relatives or your breakfast nook. So, yeah, kasya siguro up to 5 kitchen stools. For the counter, quartz finish with marble green design. It also comes with additional storage space for your cutleries or utensils. Soft close drawers, your integrated appliances, your oven, your induction cook hob together with your range hood. And on the other side, additional counter for your appliances or again, para sa mga food preparation space ninyo. Backsplash and counter quartz finish. Ang ganda ng kanilang green, yung design nitong quartz. For the base and hanging cabinets, these are modular for your storage. Huge sink, stainless sink, of course, SUS 304. And in this space, ito naman yung provision nyo for your 2 to 4 door refrigerator. And dito sa side is additional cabinet for your pantry or appliance cabinet. Pwede nyo ilagay dito yung mga personal appliances like rice cooker, no? Ayan. So, pwede nyo i-ganyan yan. Okay. And of course, mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods dito sa inyong walk-in pantry with built-in shelves. And kunyari man may heavy cooking kayo and ayaw nyo maamoy sa loob ng property, we have this space. Additional L-shaped counter for your additional food preparation space. The location of your gas range with gas line na existing na very safe for the property and for the family members. You also have your window for natural light and proper ventilation. Quartz counter and the location maybe of your refrigerator or a separate oven from your gas range. And ito yung door with an access going here sa inyong laundry area. So, mas maganda yung workflow in this space. And by the way, for the flooring, dito sa outdoor, matte texture porcelain tiles. So, we're done here dito sa inyong ground floor. Let's go up to sa inyong second floor. And by the way, ang luwag dito sa inyong stairway. So, kunyari man, if in the future gusto nyo maglagay ng elevator, kasya in this space. For the stairs, solid wood. For the staircase, ganun din with your handrails with metal balustrades and tempered glass. Lots of natural light coming from your window. Here's the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And for the flooring, laminated board with wood grain design. And liwanag dito sa inyong hallway coming from your fixed window. So, unahin natin itong inyong bedroom 2. Or the master bed. Lots of natural light coming from your sliding doors. The location of your media wall or your television set. The space for your bed mattress or your king size bed, no? You also have provision for your split type AC, your window, and itong inyong walk-in closet with almost floor to ceiling cabinet for your storage. Transom window for natural light or provision para sa inyo magiging window type AC. and your ensuite toilet and bath. Your spacious shower space with enclosure, his or her sink, and itong inyong American Standard water closet. And let's take a look at this area dito sa inyong balcony. Ayan. So for the balcony, for the flooring, porcelain tiles, matte texture, very spacious, no? And in this area, you have an access coming from another bedroom, no? Dito sa facade ng property. So ayan. And dito sa middle, we have this spacious, no? Kasyang-kasya yung inyong garden set with your coffee table and your chairs para you can also enjoy the outdoor space. Well, very peaceful din dito sa Linden Woods. So, coming from your bedroom 2 or the master bedroom, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 3. Provision for your sleep type. Your bed frame, queen size bed, kasha in this space. Your media wall. Your cabinet, lots of storage space, almost floor to ceiling. And your ensuite, toilet and bath. Ganda ng kulay ng kanilang laminated wood. Across the hallway, ito yung inyong bedroom 4. Your bed frame, your media wall, cabinet for your storage, and your ensuite, toilet and bath. Okay. And sa katapat na door is your bedroom 5, the location of your bed frame. You also have provision for your window type, AC, or your split type. Your ensuite, toilet and bath, your cabinet, and again, ito yung access coming from your or going to your balcony yung dinaanan natin kanina. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern contemporary home located here in Lindenwood Residences, Muntinlupa City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.